Do you want your hair to go from this to this and also this? Then you need this 8-in-1 curling iron set from Ideal Swan. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and this set has completely upgraded my hair routine. It comes with multiple ceramic barrels, so you can create everything from tight curls to soft, beachy waves, all with one tool. Switching between barrels is super quick and easy, so you can change up your look in seconds. You also get adjustable temperature settings, which makes it perfect for different hair types and styling needs. This set includes 8 different interchangeable styling tools, a flat iron for straight hair, a thermal brush, and 6 different curling wands for different hairstyles. It even comes with a heat-resistant glove for safe styling. All you have to do is choose your attachment, line it up with the base, and twist it into place until it locks. It's so secure and easy to swap out. The handle is really comfortable to hold too, which makes styling feel easy, not like a workout. So whether you're going for beach waves, tight curls, straight hair, or even a blowout look, then this set has you covered, and that's my point of view.